The last thing you need to know about a vlog. Let's get back. Well, I think I figured it out. So when I YouTubed how to vlog, the first 4 videos that came up in order were Jevin Dovey, Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, and lastly it was Catherine Manning. So I consumed all 4 videos, I took notes, then I consolidated those notes, and I found common themes. Is somebody yelling for me? Hang on. No worries, that was just the kids singing. When you're a parent, you have to go check these things out. Common principles within each of these people's how to vlogs. And by no means are they not notable for what they've done for YouTube or the vlogging world. Kind of pioneers, right? As you probably agree. Jevin Dovey really boils it down to having a theme, having a story arc, and a line of what you're doing. You basically, you have your hook in, you have your journey with struggles, you have the goal completion, and then you're really getting into a traditional story arc. All 3 people talk about the story arc equally in their how to vlog descriptions. They all equally talk about not being afraid to vlog in public, which I totally understand, because when I initially started talking to a camera like it's a person and explaining things, it was extremely difficult for me and I didn't quite get it. And so a lot of my earlier videos, you'll see me talking to a camera and I'm actually trying to read a script. All right, Jevin's thing, done. Casey Neistat basically says use cinematic shots in between the actions that you're taking to help captivate the audience and give them something to watch so they don't get bored and throw your video away. So Catherine Manning, she's more of a journal style vlogger, is what I found, and that was the biggest difference between the 4 of them, is that Catherine was journal style and the other guys are more of a story arc style. So one's like your daily activities and the other is a portion of your daily activities that you can make a story out of. And lastly, we have Peter McKinnon, who says it's people want to connect with us, and that's the story is us. So it's going to be the personality that comes out of this thing, this body and mind and soul, connecting with that camera, which is to it's inherently transitioning to connecting with you, the audience, and creating a relationship between us. So boom, I just learned how to vlog and I regurgitated everything that I learned today to you. The last thing you need to know about a vlog. don't use your vlog to sell things. It gets really cheap really fast. I'm not gonna say a product and I'm not gonna sell you stuff, because I think that's the cheapest form of entertainment, is me trying to entertain you and then trying to sell you something. So let's not do that. So let's connect here, and I won't sell you anything, I promise. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I appreciate your attention, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Leave me some comments down below. Talk to me, man. I want to get to know you guys just like I'm letting you know me. And I'll holler at you later.